Have you ever looked at yourself in the mirror and wondered, why does my skin look so dull? No glow, no smoothness, and on top of that, pimples, dark spots, and tanning. It feels like your face has given up on itself. But bro, I know there's still a little hope inside you. You wish your skin could look like glass, clean, glowing, naturally attractive, and so good that your photos look amazing without needing a Snapchat filter. Well, bro, that's completely possible. You just need to put in a little effort. Science says that our skin naturally renews itself every 28 days. That means if you start following the right routine today, just 1 month from now when you look in the mirror, you'll actually love what you see. And if you think glass skin is only for girls, then bro, that's one of the biggest misconceptions out there. Skincare isn't just about looking good. It's directly connected to your confidence, discipline, and focus. When your face feels fresh, your mind feels clear. And when your mind is clear, you perform better in everything you do. So today, we're going to talk about a glass skin routine that isn't built around expensive products. It's built on 3 powerful pillars. Pillar 1. Cleanse and detox your skin from the inside. Pillar 2. Nourish and brighten your skin from within. Pillar 3. Lock in your daily glow with discipline. If you understand these 3 pillars and follow them consistently for just 28 days, the next time you take a selfie, you won't need a filter anymore. So if you're genuinely serious about improving your skin, grab your headphones, remove all distractions, and give me the next 8 to 10 minutes of your full attention. Because this journey isn't just about your skin, it's about self-respect. And don't forget to like the video now, because once we get started, you'll be completely hooked. Pillar S1. Detox your skin from the inside. The biggest mistake almost every guy makes is believing that glowing skin comes from applying products on the outside. The truth is, real glow starts from within. You can use the most expensive face wash in the world, but if your liver and blood aren't functioning well, your skin will never look truly clear, bright, or smooth. Let me share a personal story. Back in 11th grade, my skin was extremely oily and covered with acne. My confidence was at rock bottom. I didn't even feel like going outside. One day, an older man told me, "Son, stop relying on fancy skincare products. Just start drinking a glass of warm lemon water with a little salt every morning on an empty stomach." Honestly, I thought it sounded ridiculous, but I decided to give it a try anyway. And believe it or not, within just 10 days, the redness on my face started fading, my acne began drying out, and my skin looked noticeably healthier. According to science, lemon, mint, and plain water help support hydration and overall health, which can benefit your skin as part of a healthy lifestyle. So here's a simple morning ritual. Every morning after waking up, squeeze a lemon into a glass of warm water. Add a small pinch of salt if appropriate for your diet, and if you like, throw in a few mint leaves. Drink it on an empty stomach. Make it a daily habit, and over time, you may notice your skin looking healthier and less oily. Pillar S2. Remove dirt and dead skin. Now that we've talked about taking care of your skin from the inside, it's time to clean it from the outside. No matter how healthy your skin is, if dirt, pollution, sunscreen residue, sweat, and dead skin cells keep building up, your natural glow will never fully show. Every day we step outside, dust, pollution, sweat, and skincare products create an invisible layer on our skin that clogs pores and makes our face look dull, rough, and uneven. That's why some people eat healthy and follow a good routine, yet still don't see that fresh, glowing look in the mirror. Dead skin cells absorb light instead of reflecting it. So here's one rule you should never forget. Simply splashing water on your face isn't enough. You need a proper cleansing routine. Wash your face every morning after waking up and every night before bed with a gentle cleanser that's suitable for your skin type. If you have oily skin, you may choose a cleanser containing salicylic acid. If your skin is dry, a hydrating cleanser with ingredients like aloe vera or vitamin E may work well. The goal is to remove excess oil, dirt, and impurities while keeping your skin healthy. Now here's the best part. If you don't want to spend money, you can also make a simple homemade exfoliator using ingredients like yogurt and coffee, or gram flour, besan, turmeric, and honey. These ingredients can help remove dead skin cells and leave your skin feeling smoother. One more small tip. Whenever you wash your face, don't forget your neck, behind your ears, and around your hairline. Most people ignore these areas, and that's where dirt often builds up. Here's another simple hack. Rub an ice cube gently over your face for 1 or 2 minutes once a day. It temporarily tightens the skin, reduces puffiness, and makes your face look fresher. And hygiene matters too. Always wash your hands before touching your face. Keep your phone screen clean. Change your pillowcase every 5 or 6 days. These tiny habits create big long-term results. At this point, you've cleaned your skin from the inside and the outside. Now it's time to make that glow last. Pillar 3, lock in the glow. Understand one thing, bro. Glowing skin isn't magic. It's not an Instagram filter. It's not just an expensive serum. Glass skin is the result of a healthy routine and a consistent lifestyle. If your lifestyle works against your skin, natural glow will always stay out of reach. The first step is hydration. Drink enough water every single day. 2 glasses aren't enough. Aim for around 2.5 to 3 liters daily, unless your doctor has advised otherwise. Foods like cucumber and drinks like coconut water can also help keep you hydrated. Here's another traditional habit. Store drinking water overnight in a copper vessel and drink it in the morning if it's safe and properly maintained. Some people believe it supports digestion, although scientific evidence for specific skin benefits is limited. Next comes sleep. No cream or skincare product can replace quality sleep. While you sleep, your skin repairs itself and produces collagen. But if you're staying up late scrolling on your phone and sleeping only 4 or 5 hours, don't expect glowing skin. You'll end up with dark circles and tired-looking skin instead. Stress, overthinking, and anxiety also affect your hormones, which can contribute to acne and breakouts. That's why you should spend at least 20-25 minutes every day helping your mind reset. Meditate, journal, go for a walk, or do a simple workout. When your mind is calm, it often shows on your face too. So make one promise to yourself today. Every single day, spend just 20 to 25 minutes taking care of yourself. Start your morning with hydration. Eat clean throughout the day. Cleanse your face properly in the evening. Get quality sleep at night. And 1 month later, when you look in the mirror, you won't just see glowing skin. You'll see self-respect. Because glass skin isn't a shortcut. It's a slow, silent transformation built through small daily habits. Start today. Every time you wash your face, eat a meal, or drink water, ask yourself one question. Am I respecting my skin? If your answer is yes, then you're already moving in the right direction. And once that respect becomes a habit, you'll stand out even in a world full of filters. Because natural glow will always be more powerful than any filter. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like it and let me know in the comments. What's your favorite skincare habit? That's it for today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care.